Hi, Mark Kohler here. Let's talk about tax write-offs when job searching or relocating. First, let's talk about job search expenses. Now, these are actually quite broad and wonderful. You can write off a lot of expenses for travel or paying headhunters or agency fees to help you find a job. However, there's a couple issues to consider. Number one is that you can't take these deductions if there's been a substantial break in your last employment. So if you're unemployed now, those expenses probably aren't going to be deductible. Number two, this is an itemized deduction, meaning you have to take it on a Schedule A and it's going to be limited by 2% of your adjusted gross income. So you might have expenses, but then be limited and not able to take the write-off. Number three is you're not able to take these job searching expenses for your first job or your first time employment experience. So keep in mind to keep track of all these expenses because you never know, they might be deductible and could be a great write-off. Now, relocating or moving expense is a whole other deduction and a phenomenal one on the front page of your tax return. It's not limited by any sort of AGI or an itemized deduction issue. Now, this is going to be dependent on moving at least 50 miles from your last job or where you lived. So there's a big move involved, at least 50 miles. And also there's a time test that when you get to this new job, you have to stay there for a certain period of time. You're going to want to look into the details of the moving expense on top of the job searching expense to keep them separate because they're going to go again in two different areas, but could be a huge benefit for you because I know it's expensive when changing jobs or moving, and this is one way the IRS actually tries to help you out in this entire process. So track your expenses and good luck.